Guys, and welcome to our Elephant and Wildlife Rescue facility. Please join me as I show you the accommodations. So just here, this is our volunteer house. This is where our volunteers will arrive and be given an introduction about the facility. This building has Wi-Fi, so volunteers are able to access that, as well as we have boards over here to show about our evening trips as well as day trips. Just in here is where you could be staying in our accommodations. So with each room we ensure that every volunteer has suitable fans and of course plenty of space that they keep their belongings. And then just here, these are the kind of bathrooms that we supply for all volunteers. Each will have the Western toilets, showers and of course sinks. Also, we understand here that there are some smokers, so we do have designated smoking areas at the facility as well. And just here, this is the Elephant Kitchen where we provide volunteers with breakfast, lunch and dinner every day.